Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 BMW X1. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle combines dashing good looks with great efficiency and utility. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. The following features are included: one-touch window functionality, heated seats, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a roof rack, and power front seats. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.